If we don't start industrializing the way we build housing, it's no different than if the car industry had never industrialized car construction, middle class wouldn't be driving cars. Factory OS is quite simply an off-site construction facility where we're going to industrialize housing construction by building as much of the house as we can here and bringing it to the site. High volume, high quality, and better value. When you look at the affordable housing problem, we've developed about 500,000 jobs and only about 80,000 apartments in the Bay Area. That's when you take those numbers, you realize, well, why the hell is housing so expensive? That's why. We believe that the industry is ready for a major shift in industrialization. The technology piece is critical to where we're headed.
The best way for me to describe our assembly line is think of building a car. We're made up of 33 different stations. Think of it as we start with the chassis, and when we come back through at the end, the upholstery is done.
There's many things that make our factory floor efficient. The very fact that we have 33 stations that come around and everything is done entirely inside our facility makes us incredibly efficient. And what we do is first thing in the morning, someone will come around and stock everything. If you're a construction worker, all you have to do is show up. You don't have to worry about your tools, you don't have to worry about your materials, everything is here for you.
There's a number of streams that software integration and having a software platform will help us increase efficiencies. We're obviously working on Revit and with Dynamo and sort of automating what we can. There's tremendous amount of data that we're generating from the design process, the data that we need from design into procurement, bill of materials, that allows us to do supply chain management, that allows us to bring that same data onto the factory floor. The designers are sending the fabrication drawings to the shop floor. We're sending everything through. We're using BIM 360. The shop floor workers then look at what's being designed, mark it up in BIM 360 and send it right back to the design shop. So there's this continuous improvement process that's facilitated by the software.
Because we can build so much more efficiently in the factory, our waste stream is significantly less. We order everything pre-cut. We actually lay out all of our OSB and all of our drywall in the most efficient manner, so we have very little waste.
Off-site construction is inherently sustainable. We use significantly less materials, waste, carbon emissions in terms of trucking, and just if we think about just the employee base and that they're not driving all over the Bay Area to their jobs.
A lot of people ask me, will you have an issue with labor? One of the things that we did at Larry's suggestion was go to the Carpenters Union up front and have a very frank and open conversation about the industry. They said, why don't we become your labor partner? We'll find those workers and train them. They'll double their income the day they come to work here. You'll get full health benefits, you'll get vacation benefits, and most important, you'll learn the industrialized housing process.
Doing modular construction has proven and will continue to prove that it's better for society, it's better for neighborhoods, and most importantly, it's better for the workers. It's a more sustainable construction activity, and it is by far in everybody's economical best interest.